Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I thought we could extremely clean my kids' room because it is way overdue, as you will see further on in the video. I will also be rearranging their room as well, and pretty much deep cleaning behind their furniture as well too. So if this is something you guys would like to watch, then continue watching. Thanks guys. Alright, so getting started with the video, I just want to give you a heads up. If you hear my voice a little bit raspy, that is because my allergies are kicking in, so they're just like really itchy and it feels really dry. So heads up on that. So I just kind of want to do something different on my voiceover, instead of like talking through with you guys on exactly what I'm doing, because I know that can be a lot boring. So I just kind of want to like just chit chat with you guys and give you an update on what's going on with me and my family, and things like that, and just like pretty much vent with you. So as for me and my family, we're doing pretty good. I think we're trying to live the normal life. Our city here in Texas is starting to open little by little, so the businesses are starting to open, as well as we're having like curbside pickup and things like that. So it's a good thing, I think. I just hope that people just still use their precaution and cover their face and wash their hands and things like that, because I feel like we're not out of this just yet. But I do know that people need to be out there and to start working and try to live the normal life and to provide for their family. So this whole situation is just pretty much messed up to me, during this times with the virus, and knowing, people are out without jobs and without food and things like that. So I know it's a necessary thing, but I also just wanted to like tell you guys that with homeschooling and things like that, we've just kind of been like all over the place. At first we were like, okay, we're gonna stick to our routine and wake up in the morning and have breakfast and get ready for school, which is also here at home. But one thing led to another. I don't even know how it happened, but our routine changed, and then we were up like, we would sleep all day and then we were up all night. It was just like crazy. And I felt like I put myself into like, I felt like I was getting depressed, because when I would wake up at night, I would open my curtains and my blinds, and next thing you know, like it was already like getting dark, or it was already nighttime, and I would get so mad at myself because I would sleep all day. So I miss my morning, and I miss like waking up early and to have my cup of coffee and getting breakfast started and things like that. So and then so I just like was talking to Chris about it, and he was just telling me to try to change my sleeping habits and try to live that normal life, for not just for me but for my kids. And so I had to put my foot down, as hard as it was, and as tired as I was as well. I tried to change it, and I still struggle, you guys. Like I said, sometimes we're good and we're up in the morning like normal, and then sleep at night. And then there's other times like I don't know if we get carried away, or I don't know what the problem is, but we struggle on that. And I don't know if it's just me and my family, but that's our struggle there. And Adriana's been having like anxiety of, she misses her friends and her teachers, and she just wants to go back to school. Sometimes she doesn't understand why she can't go to the grocery store with us. It's just things like that. And she's still too little to understand, but she also understands that when she does go out, when she had a doctor's appointment, she came straight home to wash her hands, guys. Like, she was just so scared, and I didn't even have to tell her to wash her hands. She was just like on it, and I'm just so proud of her, how understanding she can be, and brave, for sure, brave. But yeah, so and I know the school tries to keep it normal as well. They also have like video chat on Fridays, and their librarians would read them a book live for about maybe 45 minutes. I was gonna say an hour, but I think it's more 45 minutes with every student. So that's one way we look forward to, is on Fridays. So we get dressed up on Fridays, because we know we're gonna go live with her teachers and friends. So she gets excited about that, and there she can like chit chat with her friends and say hi, and they just see each other. It's just, I love Fridays. So we always look forward to that. And then but so yeah, let me catch my breath, because I feel like I can't breathe while I'm talking, and then my throat is like raspy. That's another reason why I just like been like cleaning like crazy, because, well, my kids' room and the restroom, those two main areas are always like where I struggle, where they have like, they accumulate so much dust, and it has, I think, mold. I'm not sure if it is mold, but I always feel like I'm always deep cleaning these two rooms for sure. Like, especially because like my kids sleep in here, and Abel lately has been having a cough, and but not to worry, his cough is already like taken care of, because I bought a humidifier recently, a small one, but I also ordered a bigger one on Amazon, and I think that's kind of like what's been helping him. And I've been giving him like hot tea with lemon, of course with no sugar and things like that, and as well as some medication. And I also tell him he needs to get plenty of rest, and drink plenty of water. But I know it's just our allergies, because it's nothing else. Like, we don't have fever or anything like that. So I just making sure that they're okay and I'm okay. But yeah, so let me clear my throat. I know that sounds kind of gross, but it kind of helps. But so yeah, so yeah, I'm sorry if I'm like rambling so much. I just felt like I need to like let it out and talk to someone about it, because I know it can get kind of crazy just being in the house. And then now that our city is opening up and we're able to go out, it still feels like it's not safe enough to be that normal, to live that normalcy. So yeah, a lot of things has changed. And also just kind of like, I'm sorry, I paused there for a minute, because I was thinking like, what's changed about this quarantine life is that I've been baking, you guys. I don't know how crazy that is. Well, for me it's crazy because I hardly ever bake. I think like I had baked like a long time ago, and it came out so flat, like a tortilla. And I love my mom's baking. Every time she makes a cake, it's like so fat and juicy, and it's just like really scrumptious. So but now that the corona has changed our lives and we're living this quarantine life, I've been into baking, and it's not like that professional baking or anything like that. I just buy the box, and just your eggs and oil and things like that. So but if you follow me on Instagram, you know what I'm talking about. I've been making like cakes and cupcakes and funnel cakes, and it's just crazy. And I've been like really enjoying it, and because I don't just do it by myself. Adriana helps me, and Abel will help me sometimes too. CJ will help us, but in eating it, as well as Chris. But it's just another fun thing to do. And I also been like into plants. I've been looking into plants. I had downloaded this app. It's called Etsy, and that was my first time ever using it, and I had bought my first 2 plants on there. So I also posted that on Instagram, And but it's just like, I just want to give you a heads up, if you do choose to download Etsy and buy your plants off of there, it could be a little bit pricey. I know some areas don't have a plant store, but I don't know why. I guess it's because I was just so scared to go to my plant store. But I went over the weekend and I picked up some more plants, and I'm just so happy with them, and I just feel excited and look forward to taking care of them as well. It's just another thing to do, because not only do I get involved, but my family gets involved. So we're planting and we're watering them and we're cleaning them, and so I don't know. I would recommend you guys to get a plant if you don't already have one. They just bring so much life into your home, as well as some of the plants can purify and clean your air as well. So that's another reason also why I purchased these plants, which is I bought a snake plant, and the snake plant is it purifies your air, and as well as in the nighttime it throws out oxygen, which is an A plus for me, because, well, not for me, but for me and my family, because like I said, we struggle every year with allergies. So I hope it can help us, not only with the humidifier I also purchased on Amazon, but unfortunately it's not here yet. So I can't wait to get here because I also ordered some essential oils for it, so it can soothe me and my family and keep us in calm relaxation over the weekend and things like that. So yeah, I'm so sorry if I talk so much. I just miss you guys, and I wanted to talk to you guys on what's been going on with us. And but so yeah, I want to know how you guys have been holding up, what you've been up to, what has the corona changed for you in the positive way. What do you do differently that you didn't do before? I want to know, because I'm that nosy girl. Let me know down in the comments. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. I love you guys. I hope everyone is staying safe, and I will see you guys super soon in a new video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the little notification right next to it, so that way you can keep updated with my videos. And I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.